Plane crash site from 1986. They all died. Check it out. Woo! Wow. Wow. I've been talking to this bird for like 5 minutes, and he's now getting camera shy.
Well, have a good one. I'll see you guys there.
All right. See ya.
Get a good spot.
Hopefully. Cosby was full last night.
Made it to camp. Here's where the water is. And our shelter is just up there. We heard it's gonna rain tonight, so I might have to rethink about my tent location. I might be in a flood zone. So everyone's talking about the rain tonight. Here's my tent situation. I'm like literally in a bowl. And if there's any flash flooding, all of this is going right into my camp. And so I think I'm going to have to move my tent. Much better spot. Although I am right next to the privy. But at least it's pretty. Getting ready to hike in the rain. Trying to do everything from the tent, so I don't have to go out there. Oh, you know, just staying dry. Doing what we can. To whoever laid a giant dookie right next to the trail, you are the worst. People, do better. Ah, this wind! This tree is gonna go any minute. Charlie's Bunyan! Ah, it's so windy! Off to Mount LeConte.
I'm so happy.
The finish line, it's right there. Mount LeConte shelter, let's go. We did it. Made it to the lodge. Our finish line. I hear him crawling around.
I know.
chilly night.
Oh, really?
It was freezing. It was actually more cold in the shelter than it was outside.
Wow.
Good job, you guys. Good job hiking. Oh, I'm scared. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Dang. Whew. Heidi-o. And just like that, we're done. Hamza's gonna get her first hitch. She's very excited.
I want to be roommates with my friend Peach here.
Happy time you'll always be. I'll see home with me.
Good old Rocky Top. Woo! Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee. Where'd you go? Where did you go? Wow, this is actually crazy. I don't know who you are.